Good morning. This is a good day. It's Tuesday morning. This is Mr. Mwati. I am posting this video to make some few clarifications. First, I would like to thank Kamaya in Block 4 who wrote a very good feedback yesterday that makes it possible for me to help you. I'd like to go through some of the questions that I see you're having issues with. And one of them is this question. So we got 5k to the power 2 into parentheses to the power 3. So if we were to open up the parentheses, this will be 5 to the power 3, and then it will be k to the power 2 times 3, which gives you 6. If you put 5 to the power 3 in the calculator, it will give you 125. So your answer would be 125k to the power 6. So remember, when you got the exponent outside the parentheses, you're kind of multiplying this, because this would have been a 5 to the power 1. 1 times 3 is 3. K to the power 2, and there is a 3 outside, so 2 times 3 gives you 6. I hope that makes it a little bit more clear. Let's do a second question. And the second question is number 2 is 3x y to the 3 to the power 2 multiplied by x y to the power 6. Again, I'm going to put a 1 there, a 1 there, and another 1 there. So, and also 3 to the power 1. So as I remove the parentheses, it will be 3 to the power 1 times 2 gives me 3 to the power 2. X to the power 1 times 2 gives me x to the power 2. Y to the power 3 times 2 gives me y to the power 6. Same case here, we get x to the power 1 times 6 gives me x to the power 6. And y to the power 1 times 6 gives me y to the power 6. So 3 to the power 2 is 9. And then I got, bring the like terms together, you get x to the power 2, x to the power 6, and then y to the power 6, y to the power 6. Now, to bring this together, remember, when you multiply numbers, you add the parentheses, so it becomes x, 9, 2x plus 2 gives me 8. And then y, it is 6 plus 6 gives me 12. And that is your answer. So remember, when you multiply numbers, you add the exponents. When you multiply numbers, you add the exponents. So x, 2 plus 6, 8. Y, 6 plus 6, 12. I also hope that that makes it a little bit more clear. And my last question is question number 3. You got m to the power 1, m to the power 5 all over m to the power negative 2, everything to the power negative 3. Let's break this number a little bit more. And you can write it as m to the power 1, m to the power 5 into parentheses negative 3 over m to the power negative 2 to the power negative 3. If we do what we did in the last two questions, we can open the parentheses there and get m negative 1 times negative 3 gives me to the power 3. M to the power 5 times negative 3 gives me to the power negative 15, all over m negative 2 times negative 2 gives me 6, which means this can be written again. We know that when we multiply numbers, we add the parentheses. So this can be written as m to the power 3 minus 15 because of that. Let me make myself a little bit clearer here. Plus negative 15 all over m to the power 6. So 3 plus negative 15 gives me negative 12 all over m to the power 6. We need to make this number positive. And we make it positive by bringing it down. And now it becomes 1 over m to the power 6 into m to the power 12, which gives me 1 over m to the power 18. 1 over m to the power 18. So with that, I hope that I've made it a little bit more clearer. And I wish you all the success in the class. Thank you.